Hi, I'm Andrew Gunn here at fantastic Printing United 2024 at the FUJIFILM booth. Really excited to talk about some of the things that we're doing. But really, we're always asked, what are some of the headwinds that you're facing in the industry today? What are some of the trends, and what is FUJIFILM doing to address those? And I kind of take pause because it almost changes, week after week with what we're seeing in the industry. But we see kind of two main challenges, right? One is, how do we address the shift in the paradigm of labor being moved out of the market, retiring, press operators are becoming very hard to find, they're costly, type of thing. What are we doing? And the next one is, how can FUJIFILM help us move our business into that next stratosphere of new technology, new ways of doing things, but most importantly, new profit, better return on the investment dollar, right? So allowing our customers to sweat the assets that they've got. So we've got to do a lot of things that we need to take a look at. And if you look at the whole digital disruption platform that you've heard me talk about around the booth, it's really this is almost a macro and a micro view of how we're doing to address both our legacy of where we played coming from plates and offset, but also in the digital space as well, right? So let's take a look kind of from an automation perspective. If you look at things like fixing front to back registration, fixing things like poor color, those are disciplines that typically would be 30, 40 minutes to fix, multiple times per shift. So that's a lot of wasted paper, a lot of wasted man hours. That's not contributing. So you shouldn't spend $1 and only get back, 75 cents. You should put forth $1 and get back a buck 50, right? That's called investment. So allowing for automation on our presses to give back that, to give a quicker drying time on our inkjet, to provide inkjet solutions where I don't have to use costly coatings or whatever to have good image and good front to back registration. For example, we've got our paper stabilizer on the 1160. So I don't want to go too deep on that one. So giving back better automation, getting hands off the press, getting jobs out, making profit, and moving on to the third, fourth job of your shift. Well, the other guys are still struggling to get the first one out. So that's the goal with what and how we're addressing those headwinds, and frankly, turning them into to tailwinds. The second thing is, well, okay, you've done that. Well, how can you help me grow my business? So if we look at different things, making, democratizing wide format, making it accessible to everybody, from low to medium to high, we've got you. We can do that, right? But also, if you look at our embellishment portfolio that we talk about, we've got a plethora of different things on the Rovoria PC 1120 to silvers, golds, clears, pinks, extended gamut, but using clear for textured peel and reveal, type of applications that you can do. Heavy coverage direct mail. That whole embellishment space where customers can make an upwards of 4x the amount of gross profit that they would have off that same four color job only. But we need to show the industry and our designers and our customers' designers, printers, how to design for those embellishments to make it easy, to make it accessible. And speaking of making it accessible, we've launched, or not launched, we're revealing 2 new products. We have here our EC2100S, which is it's a new generation of product, and all the great things on it, like the additional colors. We've got a 5th color housing, under the hood closed loop process controls, as well as we've got our SC285, which again, all the stuff from our Rovoria PC 1120, all those great tools from the high end, brought down here. So whether or not you've got, let's say, a gold budget of of buying the high end stuff, or you're just getting into the business, we've got something on that disruption platform that's there for our customers and our stakeholders. So we feel like we've got a really good offering, and it's super exciting to be in a place where we can do it out front here at Printing United in 2024. So I hope customers can come by, check us out, and of course follow up with us after the show, so we can really welcome them to our innovation hub in Chicago. So excited to talk more and continue the conversation that we're having here this week.